Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty little fall wreath. So stay tuned and see how we make it. To make the wreath, we're going to use 3 layers of the Deco Mesh. I'm not sure how many rolls we're going to need, but I'll give you the totals at the end of the video. But what we're going to do is we're going to lay them one on top of the other. And then we're going to layer the 3 ribbons on top of the 3 rolls of Deco Mesh. So the easiest way to do this is to roll out each roll and then roll them back up together. So you have just one roll. I'm putting my ends together and layering it, and then I'm going to do my ribbons too. And for this I've got a black, the orange speckled one, and an orange and black polka dot. These are all good fall colors, and then they can transition into Halloween, and then you can carry them over into Thanksgiving too. So my puppy, he drank some water and he got choked.
Yeah, he did.
Be careful, baby.
He flopped it up too much.
Okay, so when I get all my different ribbons and mesh, the ends all together, then I'm going to put a clip on the end to hold them while I unroll everything else. So this is my last ribbon. So you can use a chip clip. I have these little clips here that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to get all my ends together, put this clip on it to keep them straight. And then once you have all your different layers, I have my 3 rolls of mesh and my 3 ribbon, then I'm just going to start this end down here and start rolling it. So it's all together. If y'all can figure out an easier way to do this, somebody let me know. Because this is kind of cumbersome, but this is the easiest way I found to do it. I'm going to, what to do with my pipe cleaners? Okay. I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, and then I'm going to pinch all these together. Or you can just kind of fold them and pinch them. Get them all together and put a pipe cleaner on it.
Oh.
Squeeze it as tight as you can, and then twist it in the back. Okay. Then take your scissors and trim your tails off. Okay. Now we'll do a little house cleaning, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what I'm going to do. So now we have our big roll of layered mesh and a ribbon, and we want to measure 12 inches. So I got right here on my counter 12 inches. I need something to put a little mark. So I'm just going to put this little trivet down to mark 12 inches on my counter. Okay? Then we're going to take our roll of Deco Mesh, and we're going to flip it over, and we're going to measure to the end, and every 12 inches we're going to gather up our ribbon and twist it with a twist tie just like we did the end. So I'm going to flip it back over so I can see my ribbon and make sure I've got the thing straight. So, but anyway, we're going to measure, and if you want to, you can just get your ruler out and measure it each time or make a mark. It doesn't have to be exactly 12 inches, that's just a good guideline. So that's what I'm going to do. And then you want to take it and gather it just like you did the end. And then twist it with a twist tie. And you're going to do that for your whole roll.
Wow.
Every time I do a little bundle, I move my marker underneath, so I'm just going to measure and tape it to the counter, which I probably should have done to start with. It's just Scotch tape, so I'm just going to take that to the counter so I can get my marking tray. And then I'm just going to finish and do out this whole roll. Okay, so we got our whole roll done.
You got it?
Yep, we got the whole thing done. So now we're going to measure it. Oh, well, first we're going to clip the end off because you probably, it's going to, in the rolling and stuff, it's going to come out a little uneven. So you can just go ahead and clip that off. And you know me, I'm going to save these scraps and just put them in my scrap bag and use them for something else. So. Alright, now let's get our wreath form, which I got from the Dollar Tree also. And I got the one that's divided into 8 sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 8, no, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 sections. I'm sorry, I can't count. It's in 9 sections.
You can't count.
So, and this roll of these, it came out to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bundles. So we're going to have to do another roll of this. So, but I'm going to show you how we're going to put it together. So just take your big section, your big roll, and we're going to start in one of these sections. Each section we're going to put 2 of these loops. So just pick a starting point. And then I'm just going to tuck my ends where I cut this one. I'm just going to tuck it between the rungs, and I'm going to secure it to this middle rung here. And I'm in the middle of the 3 rungs. So I'm just going to secure this with my pipe cleaner. Then we're going to get to our next section, and we're going to go in your wreath form, the 2 rungs in the middle. We're going to put our pipe cleaner around those 2. Get your ribbon on top. Flip it over, and then we're just going to twist a twist tie as tight as we can. And we're going to do the same thing with the next section. And you can do it right in between where the bar is that holds the sections. You want to do that one right in between that. Put the twist tie on each side of that divider rung. And then just give that a good twist. And then you're just going to do that all the way around with all your bundles. Okay, and when you got all your sections put on your wreath, what you're going to do is go back to your first bundle, and you're going to pick which color. The bottom color is the purple, so I'm going to pull it to the outside of the ring, and I'm going to pull the next color, the white, to the inside. I'm going to leave the orange in the middle. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to pull the orange, the bottom ribbon, the black ribbon, to the outside, and the orange ribbon to the inside, and the black ribbon on the polka dots I'm going to leave in the middle. So then when you get to the next rung, you want to alternate it. So since you did the purple ribbon to the outside, we're going to do it to the inside. And we'll do the white one to the outside. Then we'll do the black ribbon to the inside, the orange ribbon to the outside, and then we'll still leave our orange one and our polka dot ribbon in the middle. And you're going to do that all the way around with all your bundles.
Right.
Y'all please excuse my washing machine in the background. It's Saturday and I'm doing chores. So the next one we're just going to alternate purple to the outside, white to the inside, the black ribbon to the outside, orange ribbon to the inside, and then the orange Deco Mesh and the polka dots stay in the center. And just going to alternate all the way around till you get your whole wreath finished. Okay, so there we go. There's our wreath. Now all we got to do is put a little bit of embellishment on it and we'll have our fall wreath already. Okay, y'all, I got it finished and I just put one of these welcome fall pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and I just attached it with some pipe cleaners. I just wrapped one around the body of the sign here and through the hole here where the little plaque attaches. And I added a little green stem at the top. So I think it turned out great. If y'all make one, let me know. If you like this technique and want to see another wreath made this way, just leave a message in the comments. I liked how it looked, and I think I'm going to use it for some Christmas stuff too. So thanks for watching. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Everybody have a great weekend. Bye.